What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video. And yes, the wildly, insanely crazy phone that is the Huawei Mate XT has been released in China. Pre-orders have started, the waiting lists are massive, but I've got an update for you viewers. Let's go. So, if you are balls deep in tech like most of my viewers are, you will know that the Huawei Mate XT, this thing, released for pre-order last week. And according to some reports, there is now a 6-month waiting list. I am regularly mind blown by technology, but this might just be the pinnacle. Now, to be fair, I can almost understand it at the price being offered for Chinese citizens. You can get the Huawei Mate XT for roughly $3,000 when you do the conversion. And they'll throw in a goodie or two in there as well. But we don't live in China. Or if you do, give me a call, hook me up. But seriously, for us that have to import it to the Western market, US, Europe or UK, we are paying a premium, and it isn't just a small percentage. Some reputable companies have the Mate XT on sale for as much as £7,000. And in fairness, I have had quite a few messages asking if I will stock it, as people are desperate to buy. Now, I don't care how much money you have. £7,000 on a phone, even a phone that looks like this, is just wild. So, after almost 2 weeks of going back and forward with pricing, I have managed to finally get it down to somewhere where I still want to cry, but may suit or help other people. Now, as always, for any of the major import companies like Wanda and Gidstop, I will beat any price they have. And looking at Gidstop's site, they are roughly £6,000 for the 1TB version of the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design. Yes, as it should be, all of the XT models are the Ultimate Design language, which do look stunning, to be fair. But I have to beat that price. So, on the Average Dad Tech Store, added today, you can get the 0.5 TB version in red or black for £4,999. You can also pick up the 1 TB version for £5,499. Again, folks, I don't make the prices, and trust me, the profit margin on these devices is almost zero, which is fine because I'm not going to sell many anyway. I am purely stocking these for the people that have messaged me. There's at least 4 of you. One of the members wants me to get it. They're interested in the phone they want to buy. So here it is. So for any other viewers watching, you can get it on the Average Dad Tech Store. But there's a wait. No, it's not going to be 6 months. But shipping should start on the 30th of September. So 2 or 3 weeks' time, devices will start shipping, which means they'll be in your hand within 4 weeks. However, if you do order, and for some reason I get lots of orders of these, I highly doubt it, there may be delays. Shipping might be pushed into October. It's extremely important I mention that because of the success of the Honor Magic V3. I have roughly 50 people that have ordered a V3 that in all normal circumstances would have received their device within the past few days. But due to Honor having a severe shortage in these devices and a backlog, if you go to the Honor UK website, I think their delivery dates are now pushed into late October. However, mine aren't that bad. I've just moved the shipping timescales from 5 to 8 business days to 10 to 14 business days for the Honor Magic V3. And as happened with the Chinese version, the rose gold red vegan leather version, that's another few days on top of that as well, to be honest. So if you are looking to order, please be aware of the 10 to 14 business days timescale. And if you have already ordered and it's within 5 to 8 working days and you've not had an update, please note it's now between 10 and 14 business days to deliver. My apologies for the delay. Trust me, it's better for me, better for my business, better for you if it all went smoothly and all arrived within a few days. But that's just not how the world works when there's demand and a typhoon, which I made a video about. So, the Huawei Mate XT, for those that don't know, I should probably finish off by telling you what the phone's all about. It's the world's first tri-folding phone. It's 10 inches unfolded, so if you want to carry around a tablet in your pocket, you can. A quite literal tablet. It's got the Huawei Mate X3 camera setup, from what I'm led to believe, maybe even X5, so the cameras will be good. When folded, twice, it is roughly 13 millimeters thick, and the weight, it's heavy. I believe it's roughly 400 grams. I'll pop up the specs here for the dimensions and weight just to fact check myself. And of course it's a Huawei, so I will always mention this. There is no Google support. There's no official 5G. However, that Kirin S chip does allow up to 5G speeds using 4G. But please, the most important thing is, other than going through micro G to get virtual Google, and it works when you've installed micro G seamlessly, but installing micro G can sometimes be a bit pernickety, I'm just being honest. So, there we have it. A £5,000 foldable phone. Almost makes these type of foldable phones seem dirt cheap. But they're not. But you know what I'm saying. And speaking of this, I am aware that the comparison video, part 3 of the camera comparisons between the Honor Magic V3 and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, have been delayed. I am just hectic at the moment with lots of things. I will get to it. What I'll do is I'll make it a weekend video. I'll do my best to get that out over the weekend, and another special bit of content that I'll be posting as well. So if you haven't already, smash subscribe. If you are one of those mental people looking to buy an XT, leave a comment down below and consider the Average Dad Tech Store. And until next time,